Good evening, class 12. This video is on delegation. Delegation is a process of sharing the workload formally. As a manager or as an administrator, you cannot do the entire work all by yourself. So what you do? You break the work into smaller manageable tasks, and then you hand over these tasks to other competent people who will be able to accomplish the task. So delegation is sharing of authority with the aim of reducing the workload. Can any organization survive without delegation? No. Delegation is the basis on which organizing structure is made. Delegation is the basis on which the framework of relationships in an organization are made. Delegation has two principles. One is the principle of non-abdication and one is the principle of authority and responsibility. In delegation, if you delegate a work, you should balance the authority sharing with enough responsibility. This is very similar to the principle of authority and responsibility. Authority must be backed with enough responsibility, and responsibility must be supported by enough authority. The second principle is the principle of abdication. Delegation results in sharing of authority. So your work somebody else is doing, but this somebody else is not responsible for the final outcome. The final outcome remains on the person who is delegating the authority. So here the catch is the principle of abdication. Abdication means leaving the entire outcome on somebody else. You cannot do that. The delegator remains responsible for the ultimate outcome. Now, when you are delegating a task, there are 3 steps you have to follow. You have to share the authority, you have to create the responsibility, and you have to create the accountability. What is authority? Authority is right to command, right to take sanctions, right to exact obedience. Authority can be formal as well as informal. Here we are talking about sharing of formal authority. Now there are very authoritative managers who do not want to share their authority. That is different. We are talking about a manager who is interested in sharing the authority and sharing the workload. The extent to which the authority is shared is mentioned in the organization structure. Second element is responsibility. Responsibility means the obligation to complete a task that has been given to you. Your boss has asked you to do some work. You will do that work come what may. That is responsibility. It is the subordinate's responsibility. It cannot be delegated because it flows downwards. Why it flows downwards? It flows upwards because the subordinate is responsible towards his superior. Authority flows downwards because the superior shares the authority with the subordinate. But the responsibility flows upwards because I am responsible or obliged to perform the task which my boss has given me. So it flows upwards in channel with accountability. The last element is accountability. Accountability means the answerability. The subordinate remains answerable for the ultimate outcome. Suppose you have been delegated a task and you are doing it and it will take 2 weeks. But every day you have to give an account or give a report about the accomplishment of a part of the task. That is accountability. The answerability to your boss, to what extent you are performing your job according to the given schedule. So when you delegate, you first share your authority, you then share your responsibility, then you create your accountability. Now, what is the importance of delegation? Delegation is a basis of organizational hierarchy. It creates an organizational structure and a reporting relationship. Who will report to whom and who will take orders from whom. It helps in effective management because it shares the workload. It motivates employees because the juniors or the subordinates feel important when authority is shared with them. It develops a second tier of employees who can take over in case the senior is absent or unable to do the task. And the last point is it helps in better coordination because it creates a organizational structure. Who will report to whom is clarified, and hence it helps in coordination. So this is delegation, which means sharing of authority with the aim of reducing the workload. Thank you.